Welcome back to some more geometry. Today we're talking about compositions of transformation. So this section right here is nothing new that you haven't learned. So we're gonna, up to this point, we have talked about rotations, which means to turn around a point, rotations, reflections, which means to flip. Oop, I misspelled flip, my bad. Flip. Too many pigs, my gosh. And then translate. Translation means to slide, okay? So what we're going to be doing in this section is we're going to be putting these together. And so you're going to be doing more, at least two or more. It's going to be just two. It won't be more. Two or more transformations applied to the same image. So let's kind of do some examples of that, what that looks like. So right here, we got triangle JKL with vertices at there, okay? They're going to want us to translate our image first over this vector, and then we're going to flip it over the y-axis. All right, so let's kind of look at that. So we got a positive 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then negative 1. There you go. That's our J. And then we got 10, negative 2, 1, 2. That's our K. And then we got our L at 5, negative 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, so this is our L. So these are three coordinates, kind of like a little triangle right there. And we're going to do a translation. Now remember, translations, that means to slide. They're going to slide, in this case, 0 side to side and up 4. So we're going to have our first transformation, J prime, K prime, and L prime. What would that look like? So J prime here, since we're going up 4 units, will now be at 6, 3. K prime went from 10, negative 2 to what class? 10, 2. And then L prime is going from 5 up to 1. So they all got pushed to the top. So we got K prime, there's K prime, J prime, 1, 2, 3, 4, J prime, and L prime, 3, 4. L prime. So this is our first transformation. And then our second transformation is a reflection over the y-axis. Now remember, y-axis, this is the y-axis, so we're going side to side. And if you don't remember, to do a y-axis transformation, we will negate our x coordinate because that's what's changing here. So our new one, or our J double prime, so just like the first transformation, we call that a prime. Since we're doing a 2 transformation, the second one's called double prime, or just double apostrophes. J double prime will now be at negative 6, 3. K double prime is at negative 10, 2. And L double prime will be at negative 5, 1. So let's see what that looks like. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, positive 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 10 and 2 and 5, 1. Look at that. So let's kind of connect them all. I kind of want to see what the actual image looks like, these triangles. So we got this original triangle right here. Good. And then we got this secondary triangle, our first transformation. So it looks the same size, just got shifted up. And then our final one right here, it got flipped over right there. Bam. So that's how you're going to do these. And the order they tell you these transformations is very important. Here they told us to do a translation, so that we're doing that first, and then a rotation. Let's look at the next one right here, or reflection, sorry. Here we're going to be doing a 90-degree rotation about the origin, so we're definitely still sticking to the origin. And then we're doing a reflection where the y equals x. So this is some 4.1 information right there. So let's look at that. So let's graph our original coordinates. So we are at 2, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we are at 1, 2. And then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right there. Look at this nice little triangle right there. Imagine it wasn't a triangle. Makes no sense. There's 3 points. All right, so here's our triangle right here, bam, 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 and we're going to do our first transformation so we're going to be getting our D prime, our F prime, and our G prime. Now, if you remember, for a 90-degree rotation, I don't, so I'm going to look back real quick. 90-degree rotations, we're going to flip them and then negate the first one right here. So we're going to take our original one, 2, 8, we're going to flip them, and negate the first one. So now we'll be at -8, comma 2. -8, comma 2. I like that. F, we're going to flip it. It'll be -2, comma 1. And then G, we're going to flip that. We'll be at -6, comma 4. Okay, that's our first rotation. So -8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then +2, D prime. F prime would be -2, 1, F prime, and then G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, +4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there, G prime. We connect them all, bam, bam, and bam. Nice. Definitely looks the same, besides my bad lines right there. All right, our next transformation is a reflection of the y equals x. If you remember reflection, which that one for some reason I do remember, when you do the transformation, you just flip the numbers as they are. So you're not doing any negatives or positives. So since we have an -8, 2, our D double prime will be at 2, 2, comma, -8. Looks like a 3. Let me redo that just because of my, there we go. 2, comma, -8. And then F double prime will be at 1, comma, -2. And then at G double prime will be at 4, comma, -6. Ooh, let's graph that. Let's see what that looks like. We got 2, -8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 right there. D double prime, 1, -2 for F double prime, and then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, -6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right there. G double prime. Connect those. Bam. So that got flipped over this way across this line right here. There you go. That is a composition. Again, as I told you in class, in the homework, they only want the final result, but if you graph all 3, I will give you bonus points for that. So other than that, y'all have a great rest of your day. Bye.